Hello, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I am talking to you today about your body. I want you to start to shift to believe that you are enough as is right now. You don't have to lose weight. You don't have to gain more muscle. You are exactly how you're meant to be right now. And if that causes so much pain or discomfort, or you don't want to sit in it, there's something happening where you consciously or subconsciously believe that you are required to change. Now, I'm not talking about if you're able to step into a space where change is appropriate and you're able to still come back to a sense as I know I'm good enough regardless, and I'm doing steps to improve. At the end of the day, I'm happy where I'm at. But sometimes people will say, well, when I lose the 10 pounds, then I'll be happy. When I lose the 100 pounds, then I'll be happy. I want you to dance with, can I accept my body as is right now? And if you can't, or if you're doing things to change your body, like weigh yourself every day, throw up your food, not eat all day, something's happening. Something's happening where you're believing you're not enough. And I'm here to give you the message that you are. My name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and this is my Imagine Wellness YouTube. Thank you for being here. If this is of value and you like these little snippets, like and subscribe. And I'm doing a intuitive eating series. Parts 1, 2, and 3 are up. I'll be back next week for parts 4, 5, and 6, all the way to 10. Thank you.